Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the VIKICON electric beard trimmer. It's an upgraded hair clipper. Ooh, a hair trimmer for man. Of course for woman too. You can use that too, of course. This device is waterproof. It's a nice grooming kit. It's an electric body groomer for the entire human skin areas, all of them. Really, because there are so many add-ons within the box that you can use it everywhere. It's a precision razor with beard, bib and storage box. And USB rechargeable nose trimmer is included too, and all in one device. This is an all-in-one VIKICON upgraded all-in-one body grooming kit. This is a professional precision hair shaving system, including 6 trimming heads, 5 adjustable beard trimming guide combs, a storage box, and a beard catcher. It is the best gift for father, husband, boyfriend, son, and for the entire family. It is everything we need for quality hair cutting, plus a great man styling kit for a hassle-free grooming experience at home or on the go. This beard hair catcher can be worked with the electric razor. The hair gentleman can relieve gentle easily on this beard trimming experience mat. That's awesome. It's also included a strong suction cap to secure while using. No escaping of the excess hairs. We keep our bathroom clean and tidy, which will make us all happy out there. It's like it's like a big glove, or it's not a glove. It is an awesome thing to collect the dropping hair, to prevent that from dropping on the floor in your bathroom. That's really cool. It's a cloth, a big cloth, which you can make on your mirror, for example, with a suction cup. It's really cool. It's a cool, smart idea. And we have stainless steel moving and vertical knives with precision clearance deeply fit to the skin. With different blades, we can get facial hair clippers, mustache shaver, a stubble trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, a precision trimmer, a body groomer, and we also can use the man's trimmer for face and body with adjustable comb to create any look we want. And the VIKICON versatile and rechargeable trimming device that is fully waterproof. An excellent device for those who prefer to shave in the shower. Truly take our grooming skills to another level with 2 speeds. We have option number 1, 8,000 rounds per minute. Option number 2, 10,000 rounds per minute. That gives us precision and power when we will need it. The LCD screen of this electrical beard trimmer clearly shows the time mode and remaining battery power and a safety lock design. This man's grooming kit provides up to 90 minutes of runtime and only takes about 1.5 hours to recharge. The rechargeable razor are able to be used while plugged in, so even if the power starts running low, we won't be left in the lurch. We can continue grooming. This is an 11-in-1 grooming kit here. Precision shave, perfect fit, easy of cleaning, self-sharpening blades, easy of use and versatility. And super trimming for any style. It's waterproof and it works from 100 volt up to 240. That means you can use it on the entire world. It's an LED display included and low noise. That's cool. Self-sharpening steel blades. The ultra-sharp and durable blades cut through the hair with no pulling or tugging. Hygienic, easily cleaned stainless steel blades can be easily removed for a hassle-free cleaning. And it's full washable, wet or dry. The trimmer and attachments are fully washable, so simply rinse under the tap. They could not be immersed in water for long periods of time, of course, but underwater cleaning, no prob. Under shower grooming, no prob. And a rechargeable clipper can be used with a cord or without a cord. We use wirelessly for use anywhere. Long-lasting battery with a runtime up to 90 minutes on a full charge. And we have an easy to read and clearly to read LED display. The time will be left and tells us how long it is until we need a recharge. And different braids meets our whole family need. We have a full-size trimmer, for example. This trimmer won't rust and can trim our bird to the exact length we want with the combs. And we have a precision trimmer. We use the precision trimmer to create fine lines and contours around our fascia style, close to the skin. And we have a nose and ear trimmer. Easily and gently remove unwanted hair from our nose and ears. Then we have a design trimmer. The narrow design of the full metal precision trimmer makes it easy to precisely edge and finish small details. So you can be an artist on your hair or with your hair. And we have a shaver trimmer. This shaver adapts to our fashion contours and gives us a nice experience. And we have a body hair trimmer. This unique skin or system protects even our most sensitive areas on our body. This allows us to trim our body hair down to 0.5 millimeters. We attach easily the neck straps around our neck and secure the suction cup onto the mirrors. We begin with our normal shaving routine. We trim our beard mask-free as the bib will be helped to clean it up in a second. We just detach the strap. We attach the rings to the suction cup and walk away. We dispose of the waste in the bin by gently shaking the bib. The bib just acts like a saloon cape that will allow us for easy disposal. And this at home. That's awesome. How we can remove a trimmer head? We turn off the machine, of course. We separate the trimmer head from the machine and we remove the trimmer head successfully. And then we can clean it, or we can use another head for it. We make sure that the machine is power off to install a new trimmer head. We let the trimmer head easily gentle go first on the downside and then go to the blade side and push it back in position. We install the trimmer head successfully. And we have a removal guard on it. We can push it over the head and use them to make more space. Make bigger range of hair will there be on your skin or on your head, of course, or on your beard area. This is really cool. That is easy, and it makes a good shave and a good grooming thing here. This is the VIKICON electric beard trimmer. It's an upgraded hair clipper. Awesome device because it comes in green or in silver on the market. I like both. Recharging this device is easy too because it comes with a USB cable. So you can use your standard USB plug to reload this device, or you use your AC adapter from your cell phone to reload this device, or you can use your laptop or your personal computer to reload this device. This is really convenient and awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.